What is going on? Welcome back, guys. Yeah, no vehicles today. This one's the lawnmower that I picked up for next to nothing, and yeah, we're gonna put a snow blade on this bad boy. So let's get going. All right, so it's cold as hell here. Not really, but actually hell's not even cold. What the hell am I talking about? So here it is. This is I picked this thing up for 200 bucks. Didn't have anything wrong with it. The deck just needed a belt and 2 new blades. That's it. But this is my 1995 Craftsman LT1000 with a 19.5 horse Briggs & Stratton Ices twin. I don't know what the hell that is. I mean, this bad boy is making like a half a horsepower. Conversion down below. Don't listen to anything I say. All right. So this guy, what I did is I threw some chains on it, paired it with the stupid little dump trailer, and I brought this thing out in the woods, cutting wood, and then hauling it back to my huge trailer, which made everything a breeze. Seeing how I got this thing super cheap, I'm like, well, I might, and it runs really good, so I might as well look for a plow. So what I did was I found this bad boy on Marketplace. 150 bucks, and it came with the plow, all the mounting hardware, wheel weights, and another set of chains. And these chains look like there's more in them. I don't know if they're gonna fit these tires, I'll find out. But right now I got chains on, I don't care. I just wanna get that bad boy bolted up here. And looks like, yeah, I'm gonna start mocking some stuff up. But first off, we're gonna put the side plates on, and then we'll be able to mount the front. And I do believe that plow just comes off with a quick release pin. So I'll get there. And then the wheel weights. Oh, well, again, there's holes in there already, so that's good. So I'll see if the weights even fit these tires, because sometimes people switch tires and wheels around and you just don't know why. Yeah, maybe I'll start with the wheel weights first. Well, wheel weight, the first one's on. Super easy, actually. The only thing you gotta watch is there's a little indent here for your valve stem, so you just wanna make sure you get that right. 15 on one side, 14 on the other, and then tighten them up. All right, I got the other side on. So basically what you gotta do is you gotta remove the bolt here, and then the 2 top bolts here. You're gonna wind up adding that one in. And then you come up with this. Now mine came with hardware to go through the other side. I can't even get to the other side. These are all like, there's a back on them, so the threads go in. I don't know if it's gonna hold up. If it doesn't, then I'll just have to remove it, drill those threads out so I can get bolt assembly in there. Right now I'm not. I'm gonna see if this holds up, because I just can't get to the back side of there to secure a lock nut. So I'm gonna put the other side on, and then we'll tackle putting the front mount on. All right, don't make the same mistake as me. When you put these on, I had them flipped one side to the other. This support comes out. So basically when I went to line up the front, these were way inside. So now that I flipped them, they're good. Now I just don't know which height to put it on. I guess I'll start with the highest one and go from there, but 4 bolts. Man, that was pretty darn simple. So I did, before your pin is right here. You disconnect this one and that one, then this whole unit can come right off. And then I went to put my plate on there, and I originally had it on the top set of bolts. I lowered it to the bottom because the plow just, it didn't look right. I wanted it down a little bit lower. Plus the handle, the higher the plow mount is, when you drop it down, the further away the handle is going to be. So for this, to drop it, you just pull the handle towards you and then let it go down. And then when you're up here, you just grab it, pull it up, and it stays. This guy here is for your tilt. So you can go, it looks to be about, you pull it, and then it pulls this back, and then you can adjust this side to side, maybe 45 degrees or something. But yeah, wheel weights, front plow. I'm gonna try them chains later, just because it looks like it's got a lot more chain between the tire versus these ones. That is if they fit. So I'll take one of these off throw those on, see if they fit, see if I like them, and we'll go from there. Other than that, pretty straightforward video. All right, guys, real quick gonna end this video. Tire chains didn't work. They're completely different size. For whatever reason, my lawn tractor has bigger tires on it. I'm not sure if it's just the model it is or the year it is or whatever, but every time I Google it or get something else for that tractor, it was supposed to come with a smaller tire size. So I don't know, but I left the current chains on it. So super simple to put that blade on the front, as long as you've got everything, all the hardware and everything. Don't go on Marketplace and just buy the blade, because you're gonna have to fabricate everything else or find the parts, and just find a complete unit and buy it from somebody who knows what they're talking about. Wheel weights, super simple as well. The tire chains are super simple to put on too. I got mine at TSC. They come with instructions. Pretty simple. So, all right, hopefully this video helped you guys out until we meet again. Oh, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Till we meet again. Later.